80,000 people die from diabetes each year in America. Many of these lost lives could have been saved if only people knew the simple truth about what leads to good health. Hello everyone, my name is Francois Xavier. I am a nurse with a master's degree in public health. Following many of my family members' death from diabetes, including my father-in-law, I decided to make it a mission to stop diabetes. In this presentation, I will share my findings with you. If you or someone you know is diabetic, this video will reveal a simple and powerful way to get your good health back. Not in years, but just in a few months. My clients often ask me what causes diseases. More than 97% of diseases are caused by accumulation of acids from unhealthy food, our environment, pollution, and stress in our body. Now let's take a closer look at diabetes and its causes. Diabetes is a term for a group of disorders that cause elevated blood sugar or glucose levels in the body. Glucose is a critical source of energy for the brain, muscles, and tissue. About 422 million people worldwide have diabetes. Diabetes is one of the leading causes of death in the world. In 2016, an estimated 1.6 million deaths were directly caused by diabetes. Another 2.2 million deaths were attributable to high blood glucose in 2012. Diabetes can increase the risk of heart disease, stroke, kidney disease, nerve damage. If not well managed, it can lead to amputation of the lower limbs. According to the CDC, 84 million adults in America are pre-diabetic. Unfortunately, about 90% of them never discover it until it becomes a severe medical issue. Prediabetes is a serious health condition where blood sugar levels are higher than normal, but not high enough to be diagnosed as type 2 diabetes. Diabetics experience some severe symptoms including, and not limited to, having frequent urination even at night, feeling hungry, very tired, having a blurred vision, slow healing of cuts and wounds that might not even heal, tingling numbness or pain in the hands and feet, patches of dark skin, itching. Insulin is a hormone that your pancreas makes to allow cells to use glucose. Insulin is a vital part of metabolism. Without it, your body would cease to function. There are two main types of diabetes. Type 1, characterized by lack of insulin production, and type 2 diabetes is the body's ineffective use of insulin. Type 2 diabetes is much more common than type 1 and can also be prevented. Diabetes can be managed with a combination of exercise, pharmaceuticals, or bioenergy therapy. Exercise is an important part of diabetes treatment plan, but can be very difficult when you are experiencing extreme fatigue. Medications have side effects that can be unbearable, including inflammation of pancreas, blurry visions, low blood sugar, kidney failure leading to dialysis, serious allergic reaction, loss of appetite, vomiting or constipation, lactic acidosis, anemia, and erectile dysfunction. According to Hippocrates, the father of medicine, in order to heal, we must remove the causes of the disease. Only then is it possible to heal. The first step is to get healthy cells. Before I tell you how to do that, let me introduce you to Dr. Ursula.
Good morning. My name is Ursula Forcher. I'm a pharmacist by profession. I live in the United States, precisely Maryland. This morning, I'm here to talk about a product called Alpha Meta. This is the product. It's called Alpha Meta Organic Brown Rice. I'm also going to talk about a second product called the Alpha Spin. I've been taking this product since 2017. And the reason I've been taking these two products is because I was a chronic diabetic patient for more than 6 years. I started taking the product in March of 2017. At that time, my A1C was 10.75. I was taking it aggressively, 2 scoops 3 times a day. And I noticed after 3 months that my A1C came down from 10.75 to 9.6. By the time it was 6 months, I did my routine health check and my A1C had stepped down from 9.6 to 7.4. That was an amazing change in my A1C. I also noticed that my cholesterol before I started taking alpha meta and using the alpha spin was in the 400s. 6 months later, my cholesterol was total cholesterol was less than 200.
The best way to do that is to use Alpha Meta. The best person to tell you about that is Dr. Mark Smith, who is the former president of the USA Natural Medicine Association.
I am Dr. Mark Dargan Smith. I have over 40 years of integrative medicine experience and now do a lot of research in both functional foods, nutraceuticals, and in stem cell regeneration. Actually, I have been taking this Alpha Meta formulation for over 20 years now, and I'm happy to say I'm getting close to 70 years young and feeling 30 to 40. And I attribute a lot of that to the Alpha Meta formulations. And those with metabolic dysfunction, they call it Syndrome X, such as diabetes, heart disease, hypertension, cancer, AIDS, Alzheimer's, and even the elderly whose immune systems may be compromised just due to age and not function as well. So what's the solution? Empower your immune system and resistance with Alpha Meta and your lifestyle. You may ask, okay, how does Alpha Meta strengthen the immune system? Our immunity is our inner defense mechanism to protect ourselves. There are 2 steps of prevention. 1, non-specific or local protection from any pathogen. Number 2, specific defense mechanism or systemic function. Now, Alpha Meta can strengthen the immunity at the mucosal cells. Not only can Alpha Meta enhance the immune system by building and strengthening the immune cells, it can help with leaky gut syndrome, which can increase your toxic load and inflammation. Alpha Meta improves all metabolic dysfunctions, such as diabetes and the others as well that we mentioned, thus making individuals stronger and recover much faster. Alpha Meta can help with the overall health condition. It can repair and rebuild the mucosal lining of the lung. It can provide the bioavailable amino acids not only to help the liver produce all the antioxidants it needs, such as glutathione, SOD, and such. It needs to fight the free radicals and eliminate toxins, but also to provide the amino acid cysteine, which is essential for respiratory lung function. Can also provide the energy the body needs to create and regenerate new lung cells. It can also reduce the inflammation in the body by modulating the immune system. Well, an individual should take the Alpha Meta in warm water, 10 grams 3 times daily, now in this current situation, to build and strengthen the immune system as well as for energy, so all cells can function at their highest level for prevention as the first line of defense. Get good exercise, eat healthy food, and take your Alpha Meta daily, and you will live a long, healthy, virus-free life. So feel empowered, especially when you have Alpha Meta power in your system. We can save so many lives around the world if everyone were taking this wonderful, functional food, Alpha Meta. Thank you.
I want to give you a quick overview of how to overcome diabetes within a few months. Use the link below to set up a call with me so I can get a better understanding of your situation and share more of my findings with you. Thank you.